What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Grim Runner. It's your boy Clef. We back at it again with another video today. Man, today I'm excited to give away this dash cam. I appreciate every single one of y'all who headed over to TikTok and followed me. Man, we smashed. When I say we smashed through that 500 follower mark. We actually getting real close to 1,000 followers, just like that, man. So I appreciate every single one of y'all for heading over to the TikTok, man. This is just the beginning. And please don't think that I'm gonna stop posting content on YouTube. I'm definitely not. We just expanding our horizons. We on a new platform. We gonna have people coming from TikTok over to the YouTube and vice versa, man. So we just getting started. I'm about to kick this into second gear, you know what I'm saying, for this last half of the year, man. We about to go crazy. But today we giving away the dash cam. We gonna announce it in a couple minutes, but I got another surprise for y'all. I know y'all been waiting on me to install these CCI Caliper covers, but guess what? I'm giving them away. So I know that's probably a shock to a lot of y'all because I've been sitting on these things for a while, but I just start thinking, like, do I really want to put these on my car or do I want to paint my own calipers? And I'm not even gonna lie to you, the muscle car community bullied me into it. So I just been browsing through content on YouTube and TikTok and just, you know, looking at caliper covers. And man, I swear to God, every single video that I run down, everybody is just laughing at the caliper covers. Everybody calling the mod rice. So I was like, you know what, man, I'm not even gonna do it no more. So I found a good caliper paint. It's called the G2. I think the company is G2, but it's something. It's a bright red or high red. I can't remember exactly what it was, but I'm pretty sure you guys are familiar with it. So I'm gonna go with that G2 kit, and I'm gonna paint my calipers myself. But like I said, I'm gonna be giving those away as well. So if you want those caliper covers, make sure you go ahead and drop it in a comment and let me know that you want those caliper covers, and we gonna go ahead and start another giveaway. Look, so just to show y'all how serious I was with that mod before I get started with the giveaway, look, man, I went and got me a new jack. I had them ready, and I just want to show them again. Most of my subscribers, pretty much, they seen what they look like already, but for those of y'all who haven't, yeah, I know it has the runner on there, which is my channel name, but I mean, one of y'all go like these, so I just wanted to give y'all a glance of what it looked like. Let me look for the smaller one real quick just so y'all can see. Oh yeah, this is the smaller one right here. So these are what the smaller ones look like, and I'm gonna just pull out that one big one again, and this is what the big one looked like. So yeah, I'm gonna be giving these things away. All right, y'all, so we about to go ahead and jump right into the giveaway because I know that this is what everybody has been waiting for. So today we're going to use a service called Raffly. So I found this online browsing. This is a pretty dope giveaway service. It's pretty much all platforms. They allow all platforms, whether it be Instagram, TikTok, whatever social media platform, you can pick winners of giveaways based on comments. So as y'all see, we got the YouTube comment picker. And it's just as simple as that. We're going to go ahead and head over to the video. We're going to copy the link and we go get this thing started. But before we do that, man, let me know what y'all think about giving away the CCI Caliper covers. I know it's been something that I've been wanting to do for a long time, but man, I swear to God, over this time period, I've been looking at videos online on YouTube and TikTok, you know, just based around caliper covers. And I swear to God, like 90% of the community, the muscle car community especially, is against caliper covers. You know, everybody calling it rice, a disgrace, you know, everybody getting clowned. So I'm like, you know what, man, I'm not even gonna fall into this category. That's why I kind of been hesitant, man. I'm just gonna use that G2 paint and paint my caliper covers. But let me know what y'all think. And like I said, you know, for those of y'all who not really tripping on that, if you want them, I'm giving them away, but it's for a Dodge Challenger. I don't know if they might fit a Dodge Charger or not, but they are specifically for a Dodge Challenger. You know, y'all might have to reach out to CCI and see if they're interchangeable or not. But yeah, if you want them, drop it in the comments and we go ahead and we go get a giveaway started for those specifically. So I'm about to do this live and direct. So y'all see we on a page right here. On my page, we're gonna copy the link to the video. So we're gonna share. We go copy that link. All right, we got the link copy, and then now we're gonna head over to the raffle site. We go get that. We got the URL pasted in for the actual video, and we gonna go ahead and start. So y'all can see right here, we got it loaded up, and I'm gonna drop this my camera down a notch so it'll show the screen a lot better. So we got the video showing right here, and all we're gonna do is we're gonna hit load comments, and that's gonna pull in everybody who commented on the video. Now before we do it, we have to set up, yeah, it looks like we got some settings we have to set up how we want it to work. So I'm gonna go ahead and set it to pick up one particular winner, and then we're gonna exclude any duplicates just in case somebody commented on a video twice. It's gonna go ahead and exclude them. And we got a 5-second countdown, and we have a total of 46 participants. Give me 1 second. Yep, that's it. I just wanted to check, so we gonna go ahead and let y'all see the visual, let y'all pretty much see everything, and those are all of the comments at the bottom. So we go ahead and we're gonna hit this confirm button right here. All right, so we got the comments, and then now it looks like all we gotta do is, oh, let me see. All right, it looks like we just go hit the start button. So yeah, we about to do this live and direct. So let's hit start, and that's the countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and who is the winner? Who is that? Let me turn it around. It looks like, hey, it looks like it says Arizona. Wow. And it's somebody who, oh no. This one of the followers. I had to read the comment. They said that they followed me on TikTok and they wanted to get in on the giveaway. Excuse me, y'all. I'm stumbling over my words because I'm trying to talk and I'm trying to read at the same time. But shout out to Arizona. So you are the lucky winner today. Yeah, so shout out to the winner again. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna leave you a comment on the actual video. So you can either message me on TikTok, you can message me on Instagram, and yeah, we go ahead and we go get it rocking and rolling. I'm gonna get your address and we go ship that out. So I appreciate every one of y'all who commented on the video. We did the giveaway live and direct. Shout out to the winner. We will have more giveaways coming. Like I said, we got the CCI Caliper covers, and if I close this deal with this dash cam company that reached out to me, I'm gonna be getting this crazy premium 2K dash cam. So I have another one in the house that I bought that's brand new that we probably gonna be giving that one away as well. So that's it, and that's all. Man, I appreciate y'all. Once again, head over to the TikTok and follow me. We coming up on 1,000 followers. We about to go crazy on TikTok and YouTube. Man, I appreciate y'all. Y'all stay safe out there. Y'all stay blessed, and y'all have a good one.